Building a WordPress website doesn't have to be complicated. Start by defining your goals and understanding your audience. Choose a responsive theme, register a relevant domain, and get reliable hosting. Install WordPress and customize your site with your brand colors, fonts, and logo. Add essential pages like Home, About, and Contact, and make navigation intuitive. Enhance functionality with plugins for SEO, security, and backups. Optimize your content with keywords and metadata, improve load times, and ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Test on multiple devices, secure your website, and back it up regularly. Finally, launch and promote your site using social media, email, and content marketing, while tracking performance with analytics tools to grow your online presence. Want a website that builds trust and converts visitors? Let the branded agency guide your WordPress journey from start to launch.